Alright, well in this little tutorial I want to show you how to tweak your cutoff parameter within Z3ta, the slider right here, and record that so that you can use it further on in your tracks. And this method will pretty much work for any VST. So start with inserting a Z3ta or any VST you want and creating some kind of melody or add some notes or whatever. This is something I made in like well, 3 minutes, something real cheesy, but just an example. Alright, I know it sucks, but it'll do for now. Alright, now open up Z3ta so you get this screen. First of all, tweak your cutoff parameter a little bit, just slide it up and down like this. Alright. Then go to the top left of your screen. There's kinda an icon that kinda represents something like a power plug, and click on it. Then go to last tweak parameter, and in that submenu you can press create automation clip. Alright, so now we've done that. You can see that here an automation clip has been created, and this is pretty simple stuff. I guess most of you have seen this already before somewhere, if not used it already with other plugins. You just put a dot on here in this part of the line, you put a dot on here, and now you drag it like this, move it down a little. Alright, now you got a pretty linear build up, called the cutoff build up. So when you play the song now, you can already hear it. Alright, well, it sounds better if you tweak it a little bit like this. Well, that's pretty much creating an automation clip. It's easy as that. There's also a way of using the record button over here. I can explain it as well, but it usually doesn't work as good as the automation clip, and it's not as flexible. You can keep editing this, you can move it, you can change it anytime you want without going through much of a hassle. And when using the record option, it's tend to be harder. But let's just try it. First of all, you have to want to clone your Z3ta to use that function. So you get one Z3ta with a normal cutoff, which is all the way up to the top. Just removing that for the idea, and one that is down. Copy the notes, put them in a different pattern. This is cut off. Now place that one in. All right. Using the recording button is not really a great way to do this, but in a few cases it is really impossible to create automation clips, though most modern VSTs are capable of doing that. But let's say you want to do that anyway. What you're gonna do then is just open up your Z3ta, set your sequencer to pattern, so not the song, so it only plays this part, and then select the record button, press play, and slowly move your cutoff up the way you want it. Alright, then press stop. No, stop it. Alright, if everything's gone well, let's record it. Alright, you can see the slider going up and down. So this is basically when you got it recorded. But if you record in using the same instrument for a recording as for the normal one with the cutoff all the way to the top, it tends to have conflicts with each other. So you really want to clone these, which takes up more of your CPU usage and memory usage, which is bad and causes distortion in the end if you ain't got a really good sound card. So well, this is kind of how it looks now. So you can use both functions, automation clips and recording, but I really recommend you use automation clips as much as possible. So I guess that's it. Well, thanks for watching.